Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how I make my chicken soup. These are the ingredients and I'll list them in the description below. First, we bring our water to a boil. Then we add our chicken. We already wash our chicken with our vinegar as usual. Then we add garlic and pimento seeds. We allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes while we peel our yam and potatoes and pumpkin to put in the pot. Okay. So now we had our yams. And we had our pumpkin. Now we're adding our chocho, turnip, and carrot to the pot. Give it a stir. Then we're gonna add our dumplings. Then we cover the pot and let it boil for another 10 minutes before we start seasoning our soup. It's time to season our soup. We're gonna add our thyme, pepper, scallion, and soup mix. So we had our soup mix now. And this cock soup mix really turn up the flavor of the soup. It makes your soup taste really good. And it also helps to give it, color and thickness. Yeah, I love my cock soup. So just cook this for another 10 minutes and soup ready. So after 10 minutes, our soup will be ready. A nice warm bowl of soup, some hot soup in the cold weather in the winter time, or if you're feeling like a bit under the weather for any reason, soup is just always good. Yeah. So that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.